That's right.
We'll know when it comes untied midair. In the bolt.
What you aiming for, Efird?
That top.
You want to try to get that one way
High,
up
just as high as we can. It shoots it up there.
About need a brick for the weight of that rope.
Yeah, I know. Can't believe I didn't have my other rope with me.
Ta-da-da!
That little limb must have been in the way.
Had not a choice. It didn't have a chance. Limb or no limb. It didn't have a
I
chance.
don't know, that seemed pretty dead on to me.
Limb or no limb, it didn't have a chance.
Horseshoe or shack. Oh yeah.
There you go. Might be able to get it right there.
Oh no.
Damn, Maul.
Get over away from it. There you go. There you go.
Ran into Mauls.
When you do that, you got to throw the rope to it. You can't just. There you go. There you go. Keep doing it. Just trying.
Just trying, but it's hooked on something back there. What is it, Maul?
Just moss. You got to get a good. There you go. Every time you get a good loop above it, it'll come down. But you got to get a good loop above it.
Get him over, little doggy. Rawhide.
Come on, man. Come on.
As Devo would say, you've got to
You
whip
can't.
it good.
We got a power line there and a power line over there. So we're going to drop it down in away from it. Here you go, one more time. There you go. All right, now.
This is going to be the fun part. Trying to get around all that mess.
It'll work. Now.
Give me the other end, I'll throw it through there. When you put the tension on it with the truck, I got a feeling that limb's going to break.
Close.
Oh no.
Close.
You hear me?
Huh?
I said, when you put tension on it, that limb's going to break.
Yeah. All right, every hold this.
And this.
I'm trying to.
You got that, right?
Filmography.
Yeah. Yeah, you're real close.
You're going to have to delete that part.
No. All right.
I'm filming, so.
Use the running bowline. Under here. And then tie your bowline knot. And then this will cinch up around it. And like you say, once we get pressure on it, I think we could probably lose that standing on the rope there.
I can't film in.
I think that'll work anyway.
I believe it will, because when you put some tension, that limb going to go right back up against it.
So we got it. All right. Let's take that rope over here. Got the shackle. And
Right
yeah, I'll grab it. You got it? I'm going to get the... I got another rope if you need it. I think I can back right up to it and pull though, because it ain't gonna get this far for sure.
Go right up the cemetery on the other side. Alright, run your rope through you. Hang on the jigger there. Pull it.
Alright. So we got attached to the truck, tied a bowl on the back, attached it to the trailer hitch. That line goes to a block pulley. It's right around that tree, and then the line goes up and is tied to the tree. That's a running bowline up there attached to the tree. So we cut that knot. Running bowl. And notch it hard on this side. Leave a hinge and make the cut. Alright guys, I gotta go get in the truck because I'm full. Alright, leave the hinge on that far back side. Alright. Hang on, let me get in the truck. Alright, me and Tucker's gonna pull. Alright, Tucker, watch that bug coming in. Get it in gear. There we go. Down and out. Get out and see what we got here. Like a clean fall. And what we're avoiding here, the reason we're going to all this trouble is that power line. That power line comes off that pole and comes right through here. And so we had to, both of these trees, I didn't get to film this one as making the cut, but we dropped it, no problem. We got 2 more to go, and we're using those knots now. We're using a bowline on about here. Oh wow!
There's a few trying to get ripe on there.
Persimmons.
Yeah, I'm right.
Yeah, I've seen that's a bunch of them on that limb, isn't it? That whole tree's loaded down.
Yep.
There'll be some white too.
I get an A plus?
A plus,
yeah.
buddy. Bowling on the back, first time, good job, bud. All right.
Got a treat.
We got bowling on the back, through the cable, through the pulley, running bowling around the tree. I'm gonna put a little pressure on it, and then we're gonna cut it. Let's see. Yeah, you always cut a wedge. Because if you don't, it can hang up on your stump. We're gonna bring it right through there. All right. Sam's our greenhorn, I guess, so to speak. He's the newest on the crew, doing really good. Learning, catching on good with everything. He done real good with the electrical part, the cutting and rigging. He's learning all the knots and doing real well. It was the thing I really like about Sam. He ain't scared to. He ain't scared to give it a go. So he don't mind at all jumping in there and trying to learn, cut, do whatever he needs to do to get the job done. He likes to learn. He likes to be the one doing, and I like that. So. Let's pull this one over. We didn't like that. Alright, wedge it in. Small tree. Good job. Knocked it right out. Top came out just like we said it probably would, which is good. That tree was very dead. Very dead. He just barely touched it with the saw and it came down. Let's go see what we got. Good deal.
Huh?
Good deal. He just barely touched it and it came down, didn't
It
he?
did. But when it hit that limb, the top, it just folded itself right back over on it.
I saw it. That's cool.
He looked at me, he said, "Did you see that?"
That was perfect. Huh?
Did you see that branch that had a taste for me?
Uh-uh.
It landed like, it went, what?